Ever felt like your blog strategy is a hot mess? You're juggling keyword chaos, stale calendars, and SEO that feels like shouting into a void. But what if you could turn that noise into a growth engine? Our blog content strategy pack gives you hyper specific tools, keyword difficulty templates that cut through the fluff, content calendar builders synced to Google Trends, audience segmentation frameworks sharper than a LinkedIn post, and competitor gap analyzers that expose untapped opportunities. This isn't for hobbyists, it's for warriors. Freelance writers drowning in spreadsheets, agency leads chasing quarterly goals, and in house teams tired of winging it. Ready to stop guessing? Let's build a strategy that crushes. Here's what's inside the blog content strategy pack: data preparation with smart chunking strategies, keyword mapping that prioritizes low difficulty, high intent phrases, calendar scaffolding templates for quarterly batching, distribution checklists automating cross platform syndication, and competitor gap analysis modules that reverse engineer your rivals' weaknesses. Each phase comes with working code templates, performance benchmarks, and progress checklists. And it works everywhere: Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. This isn't just a toolkit, it's your blog's steroid cycle. Installing the blog content strategy pack takes one command: npx quanta-skills add blog-content-pack. That's it. You get the full workflow: research templates, calendar builders, and distribution playbooks. No clunky integrations. Your next Claude code session picks it up automatically. Your AI assistant now knows how to audit keywords, structure calendars, and blast content across channels. It's like upgrading your brain without the caffeine crash. Ready to stop overcomplicating and start dominating?